What's good, y'all? It's your girl Kiara Ayana. Today I'm gonna be making over my patio. So if you're interested in seeing this makeover from beginning to end, then stay tuned. Let's go ahead and look at what the patio looks like. All right, the babies absolutely love the patio. It's a nice sized patio, or I guess people will call it a balcony. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the floors, and I'm also going to clean these windows. This glass cleaner just gave it a nice coat and easier. Wow, what a difference that makes. This is everything that we have to unbox. I really needed some long lighters like this. So I got these, MK lighter on Instagram. It's just a 5-pack of really cute long lighters. Super easy to use, but I need these because I have a fire pit now, and so yeah. So these are the solar step lights. They're actually fueled by the sun, and they just attach to the outside of the railings. Floor cushions. Look at this pattern. I just got the one because look at how big it is. Beautiful. I got these pillows. I got all these colorful things because my patio is going to be just black and white, so I can give it a little bit of color. Yeah, so these are the run-in floor tiles. They're kind of like a beige color, and those actually come in a whole bunch of different colors on IKEA. All of the links to everything will be in the description. How did the pillows end up on the floor? These are not toys. Give me this. But as you guys can see, they're blowing up pretty nicely over here, and they're gonna look really good on the patio. It's a tabletop fire pit. It also comes with this placemat so you don't burn up the whole place. I also got some solar lights for the ground called garden lights, and they get powered by the sun, and then they turn on in the nighttime. This is actually my raised bed greenhouse. It's just a raised bed, and it has a greenhouse on top of it. Yeah. This is my cushions for my couch, and as you guys can see, it's thick. The last thing that I have is a woven rope bistro set. This is what the chairs look like. Just mad stuff. But yeah, we got everything we need. Starting out with my IKEA tiles, and I've got my handy dandy hammer with me. Excuse me, Nelly. This is where I'm gonna throw those stones. I'm just gonna wrap these edges with stone. So over here, I'm gonna line that up with stone. And this is where the raised bed / greenhouse will go. We like it, we love it.
Hey, Coma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, sliding back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO for the lifestyle she respects. No! 2 sprinters to Quebec, Cherie, Ou et Montbec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. 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 She wanna play with that cat. I make it on wet. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. When everything is put to rest, and everybody takes a breath, and everything gets addressed, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets.
Like we weren't supposed to come up with something this clean.
This is the raised bed. It is from Vita XL. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this together, and then we're gonna take it outside So I'm starting to build this. Thank you, Vita. I love seeing a project that's only a couple pieces. There's the 4. Here's the 3. Take some screws. I want us to use the longest screws. So there we have it, you guys. I've finished putting together. It smells so good, but I'm so excited for all of the fresh produce that will be going in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bring this bad boy outside. This is a whole nother day, as you guys can see. I got on a whole nother Skims outfit. Anywho, most of the patio is done. I had got some doggy turf so that the babies could pee outside, and then I can just change the box underneath it whenever they soil it. And then once it's soiled for at least a month, then I change the whole turf. But yeah, this is the stuff that I have left, and this is going to be going in the garden. Let's go fill in the stones in the holes, and let's go put the lights up. I'm using these natural stones, and I'll put the link in the description. They're just some plain charcoal stones that you might find outside. This is what the stones look like. As much as I can. That looks like a good amount. This is what the other one looks like. Beautiful. So we've got one on that side, one on this side. So I have these lovely lights here, and I'm gonna take them down, and I'm gonna put the solar lights up instead. So these lights are solar powered lights, so I don't have to use any battery. I don't have to use any electric socket. All I have to do is leave them outside to charge in the sun, and once it starts getting dark, they will be bright. This is what the solar lights look like. They come with this 3mm tape. This is how it gets powered by the sun. You just put the 3mm tape on the inside of it, and you pull off the other side, and then you pull out the little, then you just take it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you stick it on just like that. 1, 2, 3, that one. Oh, when you put your hand over it, it lights up. That's cool. Look at the lights on the railing over here compared to the string Christmas holiday lights. They look way more classy. I should also note, this pillow is super comfy, and I thought it was gonna be for me. As I've been outside doing all this work, the babies have taken a liking to this pillow, and so I think it might just be the baby's pillow. But I also got this gardening tool kit from Grow It. It's a little gardening bag with all of the tools that you need to garden. I need to make sure that my garden is equipped with everything. But it comes with these labels so I can label my plants. It comes with all these other things, and one more, a shovel. This has like measurements on it. It comes with these gardening gloves. Oh, and they're like soft and breathable and professional. It comes with these shears. They look a little dangerous, honey. Oh yeah. You hear that? Whoosh, whoosh. Yeah, honey, these is not to play with. Then lastly, it comes with the bag. Oh, it's so cute. It has all these compartments and whatnot. It just makes me feel like a professional gardener. Yeah, it's like, look at that. Too cute.
doesn't make sense now.
Hey guys, so it is Thursday. And Thursday is super exciting because our doggy lawn just came and the babies are gonna be able to have somewhere to lay and rest and go poop poop. So let's get this thing out there. This is the tray the doggy lawn goes into. That's what it looks like, you guys. Real grass. I love that. It smells so good.
Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. unless I ask you.
Chanel, do not start. Fendi, look at the grass. Look at this grass. Look at it. Yes, do you like it?
You mind if I play something for you?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
All along the western front, people line up to receive. She got the power in her hand to shock you like you won't believe. So hot in the Amazon, both is running through her skin. Standing there with nothing on.
Yeah.
She gonna teach me how to swim.